Welcome to the latest A Course in Business Miracles activation. I am Heather Dominick, creator of BusinessMiracles.com and founder and leader of the Highly Sensitive Entrepreneur Movement. Highly Sensitive Entrepreneurs, or HSEs, are literally coded to be successful coaches, healing practitioners, and creative entrepreneurs. We are everything the world desperately needs right now. Our time has come. And according to the spiritual and psychological teaching of A Course in Miracles, a miracle is defined as a shift in perception, which is exactly what's required for HSE success and what this Business Miracles activation is designed to create for you. So wherever you are, I invite you to allow yourself to be fully present for our time together and this activation experience. Really prepare yourself to receive. Make it a conscious choice demonstrated through action. Let's just take a moment to activate the energy. This truly is an opportunity to allow your cells to shift into a different state and to allow your mind to open up to receive in an expanded way. So to support yourself and really stepping into the opportunity for a cellular shift and for mind expansion, do whatever needs to be done to support yourself in being present. Turn away from technology, put yourself in a different sitting position, or whatever else can be done to allow yourself to be present. And then to support that decision to be present, I invite you to close your eyes. And if for some reason you're someplace where physically you can't close your eyes, just pull down that shade on your inner eye and allow yourself to turn and focus inward. And together, we'll take in a deep breath. Deep breath in and let it out. And again, deep breath in and let it out. One more time for the power of 3, feeling the gift of the deep breath. Deep breath in. As you stay with your eyes closed and continue to breathe deep, I invite you to just allow these words of the ultimate success mantra to move through you and to you. I expand in abundance, success, and love every day as I inspire those around me to do the same. I expand in abundance, success, and love every day as I inspire those around me to do the same. Deep breath in and let it out. And we step into the power of each word within the ultimate success mantra. I, who you are, your being, expand to truly open, to be more, to give more, to receive more, in abundance, full flourishing of prosperity, abundance of ideas, of insights, of connection, of opportunities, of financial, emotional, and energetical reward, success, setting your sights on something that you haven't yet experienced and doing what needs to be done every step of the way to reach that new height, to achieve that new goal, and love, the power of the heart, the beating of the heart, the energy of the heart, the power of the heart to connect, to care for, to cherish every day, every second, every minute, and every moment that we have the gift of being alive, of breathing, of moving, of feeling, of emoting, of thinking, of imagining, of dreaming, of interacting, of growing, of learning, of healing every day as I inspire, as I light my torch and extend my torch for yours to be lit as well, to motivate, to encourage, to champion, to applaud, to support, to serve those around me. The person who's in the car next to me as I am in traffic. The older woman I stand behind in line at the grocery store. The loved ones that I share the bathroom with. The person that I email. Your clients, your friends, your family, your neighbor, those who you exchange an eye glance with, those that you simply breathe the same air as you ride the elevator. To do the same. Wishing, intending, willing that all of those around you, close to you and unknown to you, may also, by the will of God, by the will of the universe, by the will of spirit, and by the will of soul, also be able to expand in abundance, success, and love. And so it is. Deep breath in and let it out. Beautiful. Allow your eyes to come back on open. Pull up that shade on your inner eye. Feel yourself present, ready to receive. My intention is that this business miracle activation creates a powerful perception shift for you, a business miracle. And from here, if you often find yourself stuck in the HSE shadow of analysis paralysis or plagued by business worries, doubts, or fears, I'd like to share with you my free Business Miracles tool that unlocks you and supports you in transforming your limiting beliefs in less than 5 minutes a day. This is a quantifiable tool that I personally use to transform my limiting beliefs, and now you can easily use it too. All you need to do to download this powerful free tool for yourself is go to www.businessmiraclesbtt.com. That's businessmiraclesbtt.com. Other than that, leaving you with many blessings for the rest of the day, week, into the weekend, and until our next Business Miracles connection.